Alright, so we're kind of where we left off here. I just need to make some changes.
Alright, side piece.
Going like that.
Looks good.
Yeah. Needs to come out underneath. So this piece will go in here like this. See, now you got a lot going on. It looks crazier, right? Crazy. Just a lot going on now. You're starting to see all the details are going in here. It's starting to get a little bit fun for me. Not that it wasn't fun before, but it's way more fun now. Now we're gonna do this big piece of acrylic. We're gonna attach this sucker in here, like this, and then attach our main piece. So this is out of the laser and it's a little bit dirty, but we're gonna clean it up before we final assembly. This is the major inside piece that's gonna go in front of the two subs on the bottom. It's gonna be adorned in plastic wrap around everything. It's gonna wrap around the front and the back and the sides. And you're gonna have acrylic. You're gonna have like LEDs going around the outside of this, meeting to the outside of the box. So it's going to come this way all the way around and go out this side. So all of our connections for power are going to be out this side of the box. And it's going to be awesome. I am making mounts to mount these side pieces into the car, into the box, so that I can make all the other mounts that go all over the place. So we can mount the acrylic. Right now we're mounting the acrylic, and then the next thing we're gonna do is mount the LEDs that go around this guy. So we're gonna have some LEDs that come in here.
You also did some painting work yesterday.
I did some painting work. We did some
show
silver. Here we got some silver and the carbon fiber. We put them together, and we'll go into the car and we'll just give you an idea of what's going to start happening. We're going to start seeing this box come together tonight. So you see the box has the carbon fiber with the silver, and then all this will light up with all the lights that are going into this whole contraption. Hi. I'm trying not to cut myself. Alright, I didn't cut myself. Alright, so now we're cleaning up the box, but we're putting in the little details that are going to go in between, like all the little pieces. So right now, I'm playing with this acrylic tape that is kicking my ass. The inside and making kind of the rest of the box match. Everything else we're putting carbon fiber and black accents all over the place. So it's a constant cleaning. It's constantly cleaning after we do this. Now we had to be a little bit creative and make sure that we can get in between this stuff, because it's dust and it'll get in between stuff. We want to be able to get to it.
So, making the template for the carbon piece now.
Yes. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Clean. Clean. Nice and clean, right? Looks good.
Yeah, that's it.
More stuff.